In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Gusto to QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to streamline your payroll and accounting processes, integrating these two platforms can make a significant difference. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to gusto.com. This is where we'll initiate the connection process. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your Gusto account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you haven't already. It's always a good idea to have a clear understanding of the interface you're working with. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the option labeled App Directory. This section houses various applications that can be integrated with Gusto. Click on App Directory to proceed. This will take you to a page where you can explore different apps and services that can enhance your Gusto experience. Once you're in the app directory, it's time to focus on finding QuickBooks. In the search bar, type QuickBooks and hit Enter. The search should bring up the QuickBooks app among the results. QuickBooks is a popular accounting software, and integrating it with Gusto can help automate many of your payroll tasks, ensuring that your financial data stays accurate and up to date. Upon locating QuickBooks in the search results, you'll notice a Learn More button associated with it. Go ahead and click on Learn More. This will take you to a detailed page about the QuickBooks app and its integration capabilities with Gusto. It's worth taking a moment here to read through the information provided to get a better understanding of what the integration entails and how it can benefit your business. After reviewing the details, you should see a Connect button on the page. Click on Connect to begin the integration process. At this stage, you'll likely be prompted to log into your QuickBooks Online account if you aren't already logged in. Enter your credentials and follow any on-screen instructions to authorize the connection between Gusto and QuickBooks. Once you've successfully connected the two platforms, congratulations! You've completed the integration. From here on, your payroll data from Gusto will seamlessly sync with your QuickBooks Online account, reducing manual data entry and minimizing errors. This integration helps streamline your financial workflows, saving you time and allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. And that's it! You've now learned how to connect Gusto to QuickBooks Online. If you encountered any issues along the way, make sure to double-check your credentials and ensure that both accounts are in good standing. Also, feel free to explore additional features and settings within both platforms to further customize your integration. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Until next time, happy integrating.